be renamed like this. Y coordinate and X coordinate and related attributes should be placed in these columns, and the ID number should be available. If you can arrange your collected data, field data, into a shape file like this, but it is essential to have coordinates. I mean, these point data. So suppose if this is 1 point 1 or sample location 1, we have the XY coordinate of the sample location 1 and the related attributes of the sample location number 1. With this ID, we have coordinates and the related attributes, right? Suppose if you collect a soil sample from here, you get the XY coordinate and you get the pH, electrical conductivity, or some other properties, right? What is essential here, you need to have a XY coordinate for each and every sampling point that you collected from the field, right? So after preparing your data set, so this is a rainfall data set, and after arranging and preparing your data set in this manner in the Excel file, you can open your ArcGIS software and add your Excel file into ArcGIS. Hope you know how to add data. I have already connected into my data folder, which is available in the desktop. So I double click my Excel file here. This is my Excel file, you can see. I double click and I open the sheet in the Excel file and add it into table of contents. So you can see nothing here, right? So first you need to right click and go to display XY data here, click on it and get this XY fields here. I haven't included any Z field. I'm going to represent a 2D representative method. So the X field should be the X and Y field should be Y. You have to set these two according to your column name. Y field, X field should be respective to the Y field and X field, and click OK. You do not need to incorporate a coordinate system for now. After setting these two, after specifying X and Y field, just click OK. And the table does not have object type, it doesn't matter, you can just OK. And now you can see the data here. I think this might be an error in a single value, it doesn't matter. So suppose these are the data. You can see the data file, but this is not a shape file yet. This is an event shape file. This is called an event shape and a temporary file in the middle of the process. What you have to do is now just right click and you should export this event shape file to make a final shape file. Right, I'm going to save it in the test folder. I will rename it as export output. You can give it a name. It should be a shape file and click save and OK. This is how to create a shape file. You can see the, do you want to add the exported element? Just click yes. And now we have the shape file. You can remove this event shape file. You don't need this. So this is the final shape file with an single error. If you want, you can. I will show how to remove this error as a bonus tip, just click here and get your editor, open your editor, and go here. This is your editor tool. Just click and get your editor tool and start editing. Then just select this data and you can press select and delete. Then after that you can save edits, and so today you get the finalized shape file without an error. Right? That's a step forward. So, okay, hope you learned something new, and this is the end of the today's lesson. I will be back with the new lessons. So till then, and take care. Goodbye.